Whynter ARC-14S14. The Whynter ARC-14S portable air conditioner is specifically designed to be mobile and powerful. This dual-hose portable air conditioner is the ideal solution to keep any small space such as bedroom, office, server room cool. This unit features advanced auto-drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual-hose operation provides fast cooling. 14,000 BTUs, ASHRAE. 9,500 BTUs, SACC, cooling capacity. Black Decker BPAC 10 WT portable air conditioner with remote control. Our 6,000 BTUs DOE, 10,000 BTUs ASHRAE, compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Three-in-one portable air conditioner with built-in dehumidifier function, handy and portable. The Serene Life portable air conditioner system features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design intended to be used in the bedroom, living room or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability, 3 operating modes. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and introduces 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier and fan. The default mode is cooling. It is automatically activated after power on. Shinco 8. Compact 8000 BTUs portable air conditioner unit, delivers fast cooling for spaces up to 200 square ft in home, bedroom, dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms or living rooms. When the room is cool, switch to the first speed level. This air conditioner will become quiet, then maintain the temperature while you are sleeping. It has 3 modes to choose from: cooling, dehumidification and fan. Air conditioner cools your room, 2-speed fan satisfies your needs. With 19.2 liters/day dehumidifying capacity.
5.
COLZER 500 square feet portable AC air conditioner. With the 4000 BTUs portable AC, you can enjoy the maximum and fast cooling within 500 square feet space, which adjusts the temperature to 62 F and high fan speeds. With the size, it is perfect for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, bedrooms, or living rooms, offices. Dehumidifier mode is the one of air conditioner function. Normally you can choose its dehumidification in winter or spring. Such as dry your clothes in wet environment, keep your basement or bedroom cool with the hot wind. After that, the extra water will draining with the drain hose we provided.